there, beauty ravers, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Raven, and this is where I like to rave about beauty. If you would ever so kindly hit that like and subscribe button to become part of my little family here on YouTube, it means so much to me. Now, without further ado, let's jump on into the video. Hi guys, today we have a super exciting video, and I know I say that quite often, but today really is because we got a package from Oden's Eye. I'm so excited because I have never tried Oden's Eye, but they are an indie brand, and I hear killer things about them all of the time. So we're gonna hop into this box really quickly, but I want to talk about what's in the box first because actually it's a mystery. I don't know. It's a mystery box. It was their Easter surprise thing, and I ordered the small version. You could get a large or you could get a small, but I just went with the small, and it came out to like $30 US. They are based in Stockholm, so I'll have the prices on the screen of like what they convert to and what they actually are, you know. But yeah, I think I spent like $30 on the small mystery bag, so I did get that, but however, I did add one little thing in there as well because I have been wanting this palette since it released, which wasn't that long ago, but I was being good, and now I'm not being good. So we're going to dive into this box, and you're going to see exactly what I got. And like I said, I only know what one thing is in here, so I'm really excited to find out what I got. I'm excited for you to find out too, so let's open her up. Woo! Okay, so now we have our cute little pink Oden's Eye box, and we can open her up. Voila! So like I said, this is a mystery package. I have no idea what's in here except for the one item that I bought separately, but I'm really hoping for an eyeshadow palette, okay? I know it's a small, so I mean, I don't know, they could have thrown in one of their mini palettes because they have quite a few of the really beautiful mini palettes, which is one of the things I bought. But the mystery package does not contain any of the new NYX collection, which is also why I bought one of the mini palettes. You're going to see which one it is here in a second, but yeah, so we aren't going to get any of the new collection in this box, except for the one thing that I ordered separately. I know, I'm making things confusing. But we are going to see some of their other stuff. And like I said, I have never tried Oden's Eye before, so I think this is a perfect way because no matter what I get, I'm not going to get seconds of anything, you know what I mean? Because I don't have anything in my collection from them. So let's see what we got first. Well, first we have some cards. So let's go through these first. We have this one, it says Oden's Eye, and then on the back it gives us a little story, so let me read that really quickly. We hope that what you see will bring you joy and happiness. We hope that when you open the package, what's inside will bring you happiness. Just like receiving a cherished toy when you were young, we hope that what we give you is what you need, is what you want. Thank you for your trust in our products and your support for us. We hope that you'll love them as much as we do and want to share your thoughts on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Please make sure to @Oden's Eye Cosmetics, and we really look forward to interact with you on socials. That was super cute. Kind of like a little poem. I really like that. And I mean, we are here on YouTube doing that. So, hey, it works out, right? So then we have this card, which is super duper pretty. And we have this this beautiful palette right here. That one. Yeah, the Skuld. Yeah. And then it tells you a little bit about the NYX series on the back. I'm not going to get into that because it is a little bit more and I want to get into this box. So I'll read that later in my free time. So let's see what's first. Oh, so we got a brush. Okay, that's interesting. It's a really pretty pink handle. This is so nice. I will zoom in and show you guys everything up close at the end, but this is a cute blending brush. I will definitely get use out of it, and it feels pretty nice. It's not too firm, but it's not too soft. I like it. And then we have this. I don't know what this is, so let's figure that out. This is the Alba Oden's Eye Cream Lip Stain, and this is in the shade Little Jasmine, which I'm so excited about because I love that shade. I've looked at a lot of their stuff. Like, I mean, I've had my eyes on Oden's Eye for quite some time now. I just haven't bit the bullet because, you know, it's far away, so shipping is more expensive. It was something that I've had on my wish list, but I just finally bit the bullet on this one. So I'm very excited, and Little Jasmine is a shade that I was interested in. So that's exciting as well. Let's open this up. Also, the box on this is gorgeous. I really love the detail. Like, it's just really beautiful. compact. Look at how cute this compact is. That is absolutely stunning. It's a little bulky, I'll be honest, but it is so pretty, so I'm not even mad. And I'm really happy that it is a like doe foot applicator. I'm not huge on bullets. I mean, I'm not mad at bullets, but I wanted their cream lip stains, and I wasn't like, I mean, if I got the bullet, I wasn't gonna be mad, but this is so beautiful. I love that shade. I'm so excited. This literally smells like Starburst, and I am so happy about it. If you're gonna live under my nose, you better smell good, so I'm glad that this does. So now let's see what else we have here. Okay, this is the thing that I ordered separately, so we're gonna save that till the end because I don't want to get it confused with the mystery box. Guys, okay, I was like, I got a small mystery box. I'm probably gonna get one of the small palettes, which I think their small palettes are really cute, but I actually got the Freya palette. I'm not even kidding, guys. This is one of the palettes that I've had like, this is the main one that I've been like, how did, the odds of me getting this is so unlikely. I'm literally like shook right now. I did not expect this. I really didn't. But this is one when okay, Black Friday came around and I almost made a purchase, and this was the palette I almost bought, but it was sold out. So I was like, I'm gonna wait. And then this happens. It's a good thing I waited. See, sometimes waiting gets you what you want, you know? Sometimes you should wait it out. But I'm literally shook. Okay, so let's see what she looks like, because online she looks absolutely stunning, and I'm sure she's gonna look that much better in person. So first of all, that packaging is absolutely stunning. I love Oden's Eyes aesthetic. They pay so much attention to detail, which I really do appreciate. So let's see. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, she's so pretty. Guys, I know this might look a little basic for my liking, because usually I like bold, fun colors, but this is such a beautiful warm tone neutral palette. I just, as much as I love cool tones, I do also love warm tones. I love it all, guys, but this is something that I just saw, and I think the color story on this worked so well. They created, their products all really do speak to me, but this one really spoke to me on a different level, and I am just so, I can't believe we got this, guys. Like, you know, I expected maybe in their large mystery boxes they would put in a large palette, but this is a fairly large palette from them. So to have it in the small mystery box, I am a little bit shook, and I am very, very excited to play with this. Oh, this is so exciting. So that obviously isn't going to go on my eyes today because I've already done my look, which, by the way, I'm like obsessed with this. I look like a punk rock goddess. Like, I'm here for it. But I cannot wait to play with this. If you want to see a video with this, please do let me know down below. But now, let me show you what I ordered on the side. Because that's everything we got in our mystery box, and I'm so excited. Everything I got, I will definitely be using. So happy about it. I will say sometimes I get scared about mystery boxes because, like, you don't know what you're getting, and, like, what if it's not a great product? But, like, I'm really happy with everything. So the one thing I did order on the side is the Skuld palette. Oh my god, I had to have it. The shimmers in here look absolutely divine. It is an all shimmer palette, but you know, I like to use a little companion palette every now and then. Today I used like 4 different palettes combined together for my look, and if you want to know what I'm wearing today, check out my description box. But I mean, I don't mind a companion palette. I really do enjoy playing with multiple different things at once, because I have a lot of things in my collection, and if I want to get use out of all of them, I'm gonna have to combine them sometimes, you know? So that's the sleeve. And then this is what she looks like. She is so pretty. I love the packaging though. That pastel rainbow going on back there. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. Oh, yes. Okay, so we have the plastic shield. And then we have this beautiful, I mean, stunning shimmers. Do you guys see these shimmers? They are so, so pretty. Oh my god, I'm going to swatch them for you. Don't you worry. I am... Yes, please. Oden's Eye. I love this. This is the one I had to have. I won't lie, I almost grabbed the Erd palette as well because I really love those greens. I'm just a sucker for greens. Obviously, it's my favorite color. But this one ultimately spoke to me more. Like, that's why I think I waited on this collection, actually, is because I was gonna buy, like, everything when I first launched. Then I was like, Raven, you don't need everything. But I really couldn't decide which ones I wanted. So I'm glad I took a step back and really waited and thought it out. Because sometimes I'm impulsive. Actually, a lot of times I'm impulsive. But sometimes it's good to, you know, wait and just, you know, let it sink in and see what you really want out of everything. And this ultimately was what I really wanted, so I'm really happy to have it. But now let's go through, swatch everything, give you some zoomed in, up close action. Okay guys, those swatches have my heart. I am literally obsessed. The mattes in the Freya palette are so creamy and soft to the touch, but they're also so insanely pigmented. I was like, what? One swipe and they're just that pigmented? I was very, very impressed. Obviously, swatches don't mean everything, and sometimes they can be deceiving. So I am very excited to try it on my eyes, but from the swatches, I am very, very impressed already. You know, I need a neutral palette with a little bit of oomph to it, and I think this palette has exactly that. I am so shocked that we got it in the small mystery bag for $30. I'm like, you know, honestly, with everything else we got, this is an amazing deal. I'm so glad I picked it up. And also, this Skuld palette, can we just, I think it's Skuld, right? Skuld? Skuld? I don't know. But regardless of how you say it, it is gorgeous. The shimmers in here. I'm so happy I finally broke down and bought it because it is just amazing. I cannot wait to use this and everything else. I think everything we got today was honestly a killer deal for what I paid. Obviously, the brush is probably the least exciting of the bunch, but I still will use this. And it is a nice tapered blending brush. I like this size of brush, and I'm very excited about actually everything. So I think this was definitely a winner. Let me know. What do you guys think? Did you think I got a hit or a miss? I definitely think it was a hit. But yeah, I am so excited to finally try this indie brand because Oden's Eye, again, has been on my wish list for quite some time. But I finally have some products from them, and all in all, I'm very happy. So I'd love to know your thoughts and opinions down below. Have you tried Oden's Eye? Are you intrigued by them? Which palette speaks out to you the most? Do you think I got a killer box, or what are your opinions of this? I really want to hear them, but that's going to do it for me today. I hope that you have a wonderful day and stay beautiful. Mwah.